Okay, it's been a while for an update. I have actually been out of town for work since July. It is now the second week, going into the second week of September, and I'm finally home. But that doesn't mean that progress has not been made on the Scout. Mike has been very, very busy. We'll start with the outside. He waxed it a while ago, but he has filled in some of the old holes that were for the old mirrors that we're not going to reuse. So we have no more holes in the body. The original trim is on the sides. It's pretty banged up. He's not very happy about it, but I don't like it without the trim. So it's just going to have that character until we can maybe land some decent replacements. And as you can see, the most noticeable thing is right there. Rock sliders. He put rock sliders on. He made them on both sides. They're attached directly to the frame. Boop, as you can see down there. I don't think he's touched up painted them yet because he just welded them the other day after I got home. But check them out, guys. Aren't they cool? They're on both sides. The Scout's not really presentable at the moment, but hey, that's the life of fixing things up and getting them running. So anyway, yep, rock sliders on both sides. Tell me that does not look good. The trim on the driver's side is a lot more banged up than the passenger side. Honestly, it doesn't bother me as much as I thought it would. I mean, the Scout's not perfect. That's why we love it. So, excuse me, boy. Mike's currently out helping a friend doing alignment, so JB thinks everything is Mike coming home. It's not. Juan takes a while, buddy. On to the interior. The interior, God, I don't remember the last time I filmed. Whatever, I'll just go over it anyway. The interior, we have a lot done. Obviously, it doesn't have door cards yet. We still haven't found a upholsterer for them. But the dash is completely put together at this point. The Viair onboard air system is completely hooked up and ready to go. The battery is not connected to the Scout at the moment, so I can't actually turn the interior lights on. But carpet, front and rear, roll cage. Lights are attached to the roll cage, so they would be illuminated right now, but they're not. And look at this, guys. Tell me that we don't have the coolest headliner ever. I found this fabric on Etsy and we both agreed on it. We fell in love with it and it looks phenomenal. So I will put some photos in because he sent me photos while I was away. He did all of this progress while I was away. So I will put some photos in here while I'm continuing to talk. But what he did was he spray insulated the inside, then foam insulation, then he covered a piece of board with more foam, and then here we go. This gorgeous, gorgeous fabric that we have up top here, and I think it really makes and gives this Scout some personality. We don't have the side panels in yet because I think we may end up painting them black. At the moment, they are the stock cream color, and I think we may end up painting them black. We haven't really had that discussion yet. I just got home like 3 or 4 days ago, and we've been doing other stuff and catching up and just enjoying time together. So yeah, I mean, heck of a lot of progress. Sound system's all connected. Subs right there. It'll get permanently connected when we put in the drawer system in the back, which, as you can tell, we have not started yet. So what's left? What is left is door cards, front and rear bumper, the box, the storage system in the rear. We have to put the tent back on it. We have to connect auxiliary lights to the front and rear bumper. That's a plan that we still have. We're gonna do rock lighting, which I know sounds corny, but honestly, we have downlighting on the camper, on the four-wheel camper, on the Ram, and as like a massive bonus when you're out camping at night. So We have plenty left to do, but, oh, seatbelts. I totally spaced on showing seatbelts. We can now actually legally drive this thing down the road because it has 3-point harnesses in it on both sides. These are the harnesses. No, they're not actually. I thought these were the harnesses. They might be the harnesses we bought for the F100 that we never used because I put 4 points and then eventually 5 points in it. But yeah, we are legal. We can roll down the road. The AC system needs a little TLC. I believe that's what all of this nonsense is up top here. Is him working on that. But yeah, lots of progress in the last couple of months while I've been gone, but I'm stoked. We have to clean up. The shop is a huge mess. We have a race in a week, and neither of these things have seen daylight since May. So we have some cleaning up to do this week. Get them out, get them dusted off, and see if we still have what it takes to actually compete with our friends. What do you think? Do you have an opinion on the matter? No? Okay. So, on behalf of myself and JB, we thank you for watching, and hopefully we'll have more progress here soon.